And what is your name then?
This is Michael Reagan Peterson.
Is it Raven or Ravine?
Ravine.
Ravine. It's Ravine. Oh, okay.
Ravine?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sorry.
All right. So what we have, I'm looking at 24 CR 530, a new case. Is that a new one?
Yes, Your Honor.
That's a
Harassment of a public servant.
harassment of a third degree felony.
Sorry.
And then this first amended motion to revoke probation that
Who is an elderly lady. They went over there. She was having some kind of mental episode at the time, they believe, and she spit on one of the officers at that time, is what's alleged. Her mother was also the victim in the case which she's on probation for, and the state's just concerned really about her mother, the family member who has.
But where are all the witnesses though? They're two separate events. Do you have witnesses for those? There's two separate events.
Well, no, but I would go off of two, Your Honor. She's going to plead. I can present the judgment where she pleaded no contest to that, which she's.
I don't know what the circumstances necessarily are of the resisting arrest, do I?
I don't think her mother's going to be here voluntarily.
What I think the main offense, what I was wanting to prove, is the one with that officer, the one who was spit on, to prove that actually up.
Which set are those? March 19th? There's one thing to revoke, and it's another one is how to dispose of the revocation.
I think
which I need people telling me about the circumstance and details.
We're ready to have a hearing on. I think the state concedes that she was having a mental health episode when this incident's alleged to have occurred with the harassment of or assault on a public servant, which I don't concede that, she actually assaulted or harassed a public servant.
Who is present with Mr. Kimball, her attorney and the state's attorney. There's a first amended motion to revoke unadjudicated probation filed as of April 22nd of 2024. Does the defendant waive a formal reading of this? Can we proceed in summary?
She does,
And raise your right hand, ma'am. Do you solemnly swear or affirm this? Any statement you make during this hearing shall be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes, sir.
Lawyer. I'm show you what's marked here. States Exhibit 1. Did you sign that document voluntarily at the bottom there? Everything true and correct, and you discussed it with your attorney?
Yes, sir.
Like States Exhibit 1 tendered.
No objection.
Without objection admitted. This reaffirms your understanding. If I follow this agreement that I'm going to do,
Yes, sir.
you have no right of appeal.
Yes, sir.
All right. I'm going to follow this agreement and find there is sufficient evidence supporting